folks, welcome to the Weekend Hooker YouTube channel with tips and tricks for weekend anglers everywhere. So, on this episode, my daughters gave me a gift for Father's Day. They actually bought me a subscription to Mystery Tackle Box. So, of course, they used my credit card, but hey, something I was interested in, and I did get the first box in the mail, so I'm going to open that and show you what's inside. And as a bonus, I noticed shortly after I received the first box that I received a notification that the second box was on its way. So I just received it today, so I'm going to pop that one open as well and let you take a look inside. So the subscription I got was to the Bass Pro box. I may change it up later on. I think I may try for some walleye stuff later in the fall. It's early summer right now here in eastern Canada, so I'm going to pop the box up and show you what's inside. So, a quick look. Let's take a look. Okay. So, a little welcome brochure with some details. Dear subscriber, welcome to your first happy dance. Woohoo! How to add to your box, earn free credits, managing your account, contests, mobile alerts. I did get a mobile alert that it was coming, actually for 2 of them, so that's good. Excellent. The dibble. Tips and tricks from Mystery Tackle Box. So a little kind of newsletter, I guess, that comes with it every month. Is it ethical to fish for bedding bass? Square bill crankbaits. Oh, word search. When I'm bored, I'm sitting out there not catching any fish. Give me something to do. What else we get here? We've got a couple of stickers, MTB, Catch Company. That's kind of cool. Have to find somewhere to put these stickers. I'm going to get a collection of them. And what's inside? It's a list of all the baits that are included, names, the values. So let's get started here. What's inside? First, we have the Weston Danny the Duck. It says it retails for $11.99, and here it is, Weston Danny the Duck. Looks like a topwater. Interesting. Hollow body brown duckling. Should be interesting. I should catch some fish. Maybe getting a little late in the season for it now, but in the spring for sure when there's new ducklings floating about. Cool. Next, Carl's Amazing Baits, The Hunch. Let's see what we got here. The Hunch. Carl's Amazing Baits, The Hunch. Let's take it out of the plastic. Hunch. Looks like a shallow running crankbait of some sort. Interesting. The Hunch, 3-inch, color OG Sexy. OG Sexy. And 0 to 3 feet, I think, 0 to 4 feet. 0 to 4 feet. So that'll be good in shallow. Give that a try. See what I can get. Catch Outdoor Zero Gravity Hybrid Underspin, $6.99. Let's dig that out of the box. Okay, Zero Gravity Hybrid Underspin Airdrop. Should be interesting. Most unique underspin that internally features both traditional weighted and lead-free head tech design. A versatile underspin that stays in the strike zone longer and targets multi-species. Weight 0.4 ounces. Alrighty. Give that a try. Hybrid underspin. See that? Alrighty. Next we have Biospawn EXO Swim. Biospawn EXO Swim. Oh, some artificial swim baits. EXO Swim 4-inch. They say they retail for $5.99. There you go. Look at those. Those should be interesting. I wonder if they'd work on that underspin. I'm not sure. Game Changer Lures Eliminator, $5.49. Eliminator, another plastic bait. Let's see. Eliminator 3.5-inch watermelon red flake speck. Interesting. Those would probably work well on that airdropped Underspin. Maybe I'll give that a try. See if I can catch some fish. We have the Strike King Ocho, which are watermelon seeds, plastic worms. They look like they're like 8-sided or something. Ocho, I guess. Watermelon seed, 4-inch. So try those out. Many different tactics I can use with those. Texas rig 'em, Carolina rig 'em, wacky rig 'em. We'll give it a try. We'll see what we get. Actually, yeah, there's the list. Those retail for $4.99. All right. That's everything that was in the box. My introductory box. That was the one that came early July. I think they ordered on Father's Day, so it came late. The other thing that comes inside the box is this catch and win. So you can catch here inside the cover of the box. You can catch a fish using one of the lures in the box. It has to meet the minimum measurement, so bass 14-inch, walleye 16-inch, 12-inch trout, 6-inch panfish, everything else over 18 inches. Take a photo with this ruler, post it on Instagram, I believe, with a tag. There's a tag MTB Keeper on Instagram, and you can win great prizes from Mystery Tackle Box. So perfect. This is very interesting. Catch, measure, share, and win. Awesome. I'm going to put all that stuff back in the box. Then I'm going to open the box that just came today. Yeah, I did have a sneak peek at the first box that came in, but I haven't looked in the new one. So I'm going to get that one opened up. That just came in the mail today. Another Pro box. Let's see what we got in there. Cut it open. Alrighty. Same great box. The MTB Keeper contest. Let's see what we got here. We got another sticker. There we go. I guess this is the July 2019 box. Soon another Dibble tips and tricks from MTB. Let's see what's in there. 3 key spots that are often less pressured. 5 tips to help you catch bass at night. A few other tips and tricks. Another word search on the back. Perfect. Now, let's take a look at the card. What's inside? The Lucky Craft LC RTO or RT0. I'm not sure. Lucky Craft. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there we go. Crankbait, Lucky Craft USA, Hiro Amori. There we go. Let's see, Lucky Craft LCRT0. 1.5 Flake male gill. 2 2/5 of an inch, 60 millimeter, 1/2 ounce. Right, we'll have to give that a try, see if we catch any fish. Next, we have the Strike Pro Gill Raker. Oh, interesting. So this is a Strike Pro Gill Raker. Slightly articulated body. It says it's sinking. Let's see. The secret weapon. Gill Raker 80. 2.4 inch, 3/8 of an ounce depth sinking. So that should be interesting. And put that down. We have Carl's Amazing Baits Runt. Another small bait. Got a bit of a. I'm going to take the plastic off. Carl's Amazing Baits Runt. So the retails for $8.29. I'm going to focus on that. Got a bit of a feather-looking tail on it. Interesting. All right. So Chartreuse Gill Runt 2-inch. Interesting. Dives from 0 to 3 feet. Another shallow body, shallow water bait. Catch Company Spinnerbait. Okay. Another Catch Company Pro Series Spinnerbait. Actually, I'm going out this weekend and we'll be looking for some pike, so maybe that'll come in handy. Spinnerbait 3/8 of an ounce gray shad. largemouth, maybe some pike on that one. Try Lucky John Wacky Hammerstick. Hammerstick. Wacky Hammerstick. Lucky John Pro Series Hammerstick. Very interesting. Very interesting. 3.5 inches. 5 pieces. Strong mackerel scent. Color Wakasagi. Explosive injection of scent inside. Oh, got a bit of a... It's a worm with a bit of a skinny tail. Interesting. Lucky John. It says on the back, exclusive to mystery tackle box. Lucky John Pro Series. Salty material. That'll be interesting to try. Very short. Maybe try that, I don't know, on a drop shot or something might work. We'll give it a try. See what happens there. And last but not least, 99-cent sticky spinnerbait trailer hook with keeper. Okay, stickies, finely crafted hooks, trailer hooks with keeper. Pop that open, take a look. Let's see how many we got. We got 1. Okay, trailer hook and a keeper. There we go, you see that? Trailer hook. I'll try that on some of the other stuff that I got. Underspin, maybe put that trailer hook on that underspin and see what we get. Perfect. So that's it, I believe. And nothing else in here. We got the sticker, we got the dibble, same box, content card. Take a look. What's inside? Awesome. That's my first 2 mystery tackle boxes. Thanks to my girls for letting me buy that for myself for Father's Day. Pretty excited to see what's left to come. Maybe I'll switch species, which you can do. I'll switch species later as fall rolls around and get into maybe some walleye lures and see what we can get. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. I'll try to take these out maybe and do some videos catching some fish on some of these lures. That'll be interesting, I think. Other thing I was thinking about doing, maybe some of these dollar store lures I've been looking at lately. I've seen in the dollar store. Maybe I'll do a few videos on those. If you have any ideas of things you want to see, things you want me to try out, let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you later. Take care.